Hey everyone, I'm Bonnie Cha, Senior Editor at CNET.com, and I'm here to give you a second look at the Motorola Atrix 4G. We first saw this Android device at CES 2011, and we were so impressed by it that we gave it our Best of CES award for the cell phones and smartphones category. For one thing, it's a good-looking smartphone. It's nice, thin, and lightweight. I do miss the soft touch finish since I think it gives the phone a nice texture, but that's just a minor complaint. On front, you've got a 4-inch QHD display. QHD means quarter HD, so you're getting a real sharp 960 by 540 pixel resolution here. It's beautiful and bright. I'd say it's on par with the iPhone's Retina display, but since the Atrix has a slightly bigger screen, the pixel density isn't as great, so text and images aren't quite as smooth as they are on the iPhone. One other design feature I wanted to point out before moving on is the power button here on back. This actually doubles as a fingerprint scanner, so if you want some added security, you can go into the settings menu and register your fingerprint, along with the PIN number to add some extra security to the phone. But this phone isn't about design, it's about power and speed. The Motorola Atrix 4G is one of the first smartphones to feature a dual-core processor. It's equipped with NVIDIA's Tegra 2 chipset, and I don't want to get too technical here, so I'll just say that having this chipset improves overall performance of the phone, as well as the browsing and gaming experience. I've only had the phone for a short time, but I can already feel a difference between the Atrix and the HTC Inspire 4G here, which is running a 1 GHz Snapdragon processor. It's not a significant difference, but it's noticeable. Apps and menus launch quicker. The gaming experience is also smoother and faster as well. The Atrix was also able to handle flash content better than the Inspire. There's also something else that's really cool about the Atrix, and that's the laptop dock. This accessory lets you connect your smartphone here on the back, and then using a WebTop app, you can see and continue to interact with the Atrix on a bigger 11.5-inch screen and a full keyboard. You even get a Firefox browser here, which you can connect to either using AT&T cellular network or Wi-Fi. So you're getting more of a PC-like experience now. Scott Stein, our Laptops and Netbooks editor, is actually going to take this for a full test drive to see how it stacks up to using a netbook, because a laptop dock is not cheap. If you buy it bundled with the smartphone, it'll cost $500, but you'll also have to get the tethering add-on, which costs $20 per month on top of your data plan. If you'd rather not go with the tethering route, you can buy the dock separately and use Wi-Fi, but that would also cost you $500. As a smartphone though, I think the Motorola Atrix 4G is one of, if not the carrier's top Android phone. It's got the dual-core processor, a 5-megapixel camera, and front-facing VGA camera, which you can use for video chatting, mobile hotspot capabilities, and much more, which you can read about in our full review. The Atrix is expected to ship on March 6th or earlier, and if you want just the phone by itself, the cost is $199.99 with a 2-year contract. I'm Bonnie Chan. This has been your first look at the Motorola Atrix 4G.